Hey, we're playing a little bit of Nazgar. I played about 2 games. It's pretty decent, but interesting. But I'm we'll just go play. Nah, fam, we're not gonna. What you guys don't know, I'm the best vampire hunter in the world. Oh, okay, I'm a vampire. What you guys don't know is that I'm the best human killer ever. Don't quote me on that one. Ooh, nice little human body. Is that a vampire body?
Every last one of you is a
You son of a
corpse.
bitches. I've been low before. Ah, you fucking asshole. Oh, my dude coming in. Yeah, get him. Oh, what the yo, give me that shit. I'm hungry as shit. Human. Just know my human eating effects are on 100. I'm pretty good at making sound effects for eating humans.
But people
Alright,
look
we
so
about to
safe.
fuck some fuckers up in the fucking
Yeah.
anal fucking cavity. Fuck. That's how I feel right now. How they at?
The hunt will find you all.
Oh, I dropped the triple. And I'm eating everyone. Yo, weak. Hey, Carnage. Yeah, come eat them with me. Yeah.
From warrior.
It was worth it. It was worth it. You know what I'm saying? Oh. What they at?
Yeah.
360 jump scope. Alright, no 360 jump
They
scopes.
could though. It's always a
Oh, 360 jump scope
possibility.
ready.
What?
Every time the stars come. Oh, 3019. That's gonna be a big comeback for them. But they fucked up. You know what I'm saying? 10-4. Yo, I I improved at this game. Yeah, switch some teams. Switch some teams. Ooh, I'm a hunter. I'm a hunter. I'm a good looking dude as a hunter. See my facial expressions? You can't. It was a joke.
For
Uh.
the Iron Guard.
Monreal and Phantom. They're prophets. The things kind of scare me a little bit. I actually have nightmares about them. I've only played this game twice and haven't gone to sleep since, but fucking ravens eating my fucking fish. Come, you motherfucker! Give me my fucking fish back, man!
Yo, dude,
Oh shit! I don't care about no fucking zombies or vampires.
we gotta stay group.
Yeah, fucking bring that ass here, boy. Yeah, give me that fucking ass, yo. Ah, get that motherfucker off me. Oh, you fucking. Oh shit. Oh, what the? How you on? Oh shit. Yo. Everyone looked. I was just so confused for a minute. I don't know what was what. That motherfucker scared me, dog. My nigga. My niggas. Yo, I'm off my niggas, yo. I really had no idea what is going on. Boom, boom, bow, bow, fuck the head. Fuck nigga got my AK with me. Alright, we gonna stay here. Let a nigga try me. Try me. murder his whole motherfucking family. Ah, get that nigga off. Ah, shit, yo. Wow, they really targeted me. Man, I just got screwed there, man. Let that nigga. Wow. Alright. Chill out. We are 7-point lead. We can do this.
Guys, come up here. Come on.
Yo,
Come
we stop being dumbasses. Say what we were supposed to be. Alright, they know how to play zombies. We don't know how to play hunters.
stand here. Okay, we can watch the movies.
Take that!
Alright, back to where we at. Back to where we were at. We all here. Good. Yo, the recoil on this thing. I have a fucking bow and arrow. I'm sorry, a crossbow. Before I get in trouble for that. Apparently my thing's like. Thought I had a Desert Eagle bow. Ah, get off me, you bitch! Alright, they all hurt though. Just know I'm about to. Alright, I gotta be. I fucking hate humans. I'm gonna eat everyone's heart. Look, that's what the fucking face he's got on. Like, mom's making me do the dishes. I'm mad as fuck. I'm about to go kill some fucking zombies. I like how his chest is open enough to show his chest, but his nipple is just not. Is right there. It would be like right. You know it would be.
They must die.
I know. I think of some weird stuff when I play games. That's why I'm working to be a game designer, and I'm probably gonna be banned from game designing forever. I'm on fire. Help me, Jesus. Jesus, help me. Tom Cruise. I'd probably get away right now if I run. Oh, shit. I started breakdancing. Ah, you bitch! Let me climb up walls. Oh, let me eat his soul. God damn it, you don't want to let me eat anyone's soul. That's some fucking fucked up zombie, whatever the hell we are. I never know what we are. I get confused. Whatever the hell we are, we're selfish. That's what I know. Selfish little shits. Yeah, you thought you could get away from me? No. Yeah, jump in the fire. Good idea. I don't understand the whole point of this like and describe stuff. But obviously people know to like or describe it. They like it. People know that by now. People been on YouTube for how long? So I'm not even gonna say it. But you know, you get the point. You know, like and subscribe it. But I ain't gonna say it. Thank you, Los Angeles. Narwhal out.